Alright, so welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for the comments, for the thumbs up, and please subscribe if you're into motorcycle content. So this is a stock Moto Guzzi 750, a V7 racer, and this is its exhaust system, which is completely stock. So the right side of this exhaust system is thrashed. It's going to get replaced. So by uncork, I mean open up the baffles in the back. So if I take a probe, you can see this is an angled probe, and I run it around the inside of this metal lip, there is absolutely nothing on the inside stopping me from rotating the probe around. So it's angled and it's going all the way around. So that means that this piece of metal right here is just a flange. It's just a decorative. This pipe goes back a few inches, and then the cats are back here inside this can, the catalytic converters. So my plan is to cut this open to expose the plate, and then drill some holes into the plate to see if that improves the sound. Cut the inside of the pipe out, see if that increases the sound. Show you what the bike sounds like. We're going to start her up. Make sure she's in neutral, start, and alright. So this is the sound of a stock Moto Guzzi V7 exhaust. Nothing spectacular. It's got a nice little rumble to it, but these bikes can sound a lot better. So the object of this video is, can we make the bike sound better by using the stock exhaust and just opening up the baffles? It's necessary to drill some holes. So the first thing I'm going to do is drill some holes here and see if that makes a difference to the sound. Alright, so hopefully you can see those holes I've drilled. Nothing too clean. It's a little messy, but I don't really care because this exhaust is getting trashed. So remove the outside lip and bored out some I don't even know what size drill bit that is, but just drilled those holes out, and we're going to see if that makes a difference. And I've only done the left side right now. The right side is still stock. Let's go start the bike. Back a little bit to get the sound. So that's just one exhaust opened up. We still got catalytic converters, we still got the oxygen sensors in. It's a stock exhaust. It can now just breathe. Okay, so just for shits and giggles, I've continued the cut with my hole saw and gone all the way through where I drilled the holes. So now we're left with a cut out, and this feels loose. Yep. So this pipe pulls out once it's released. And then, as I grab my flashlight, you are left with 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. So you can see the two further back holes are the ones that release the gases and hit that back plate, and then the only exhaust gases that are coming out the end are coming through the pipe at 1 o'clock. Noon 1 o'clock. So you can see it extends. That's where the this pipe went into. So let's start the bike up and hear what it sounds like, completely uncorked, on one side only. It's going to be loud. That's a pretty nice rumble. A V7 exhaust uncorked, and that's only on one side. So with both you can double the decibels. Definition of decorked.